Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my new mouse. That price will written here to 249. Let's open this guys. Here is the mouse. The packaging is very poor this time. I hope it will fix next time because it's come with the courier, e-com courier. Some warranty card are there, and here is the mouse. You see that it's already open inside the package. I hope it not destroy at all. Here is the mouse. The product number is X1000. Very good mouse at this price. If you want to purchase any budget oriented mouse, then go for it guys. Thank you for watching.